Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July the 18th. The time right now in Singapore is 9:27 in the morning. Overnight markets are pretty quiet and they are all waiting for tonight's release of the US retail sales report. And this is expected. But last night, ahead of this report, we can see that most equity markets in the States has actually rallied ahead of this number, with the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 taking the leads to a new all-time high for the year. And Dow Jones actually followed through, but did not quite take out the year's high, which was at 34,712, registered in January of this year. So we can see that the Dow Jones is actually very cautious on a comparative basis. The high traded last night was 34,665, which is 47 points shy of the for the year's high. So we can see on the comparative basis, the Dow Jones is definitely more cautious about taking the market ever higher. Now, do remember this year's rally has been concentrated on tech stocks, with 7 stocks basically leading the market higher in both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, because all 7 stocks are listed in both indices, and this is the concern from the regular point of view. And so much so that next week on the 24th, the Nasdaq 100 will be rebalanced, meaning to say that they are going to make sure that there is no undue concentration of companies that can influence the composition of the indexes here. So this could be a game changer. Let's watch out what happens after the rebalancing on the 24th. In the meantime, what I want to talk today is about the Dow Jones. Now, the Dow Jones at the high of 34,665 closed last night as a reversal pattern, although this is very, very minor because we are looking at a 4 hours time frame, but it is still very, very telling. From a risk reward perspective, the high traded for the year is 34,712, and we are only 47 points away from this level, and it makes for a very, very attractive counter trend trade setup here, in my opinion. So if you can reach 47 points, I think that is going to be quite a big potential payout here if the market actually pulls back. My target for a pullback, if it ever happen, is somewhere between the 33,700 range. That means the market has a potential to come off perhaps 1,000 points from where we are right now. So compared to 47 points potential risk to 1,000 potential payout, I think this is a fantastic trade setup, in my opinion. So if you also concur, do watch out for developments going into tonight's retail sales number. This is all I have for you for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another update. Bye-bye. Take care.